How are you, my friend?
Good, good, good.
Keep it for you. You can try a new one.
Yeah, okay. Alright guys, we are at Minhs Motorbike. This is Minh. Hello Minh.
Yeah, hi.
He has many motorbikes here to hire. 110cc, 125, 150. He is the man. If you come to Hanoi, come to Minhs Motorbikes. Anyway, I've come to swap my motorbike. Basically because I want something a little bit bigger. So probably going to go with this blue one here and go for a little run, check it out, see how it goes. Because next week I am going to head up north a little bit in Vietnam, so I want to have a kind of a bigger bike, put a bit of weight and luggage on. So we're going to go check this one out, try it out, and see how we go. Now you can rent bikes here from about, I think it's $30 a month, which is around $1 a day, which is really cheap. Works out to be 800,000 Vietnam dong for like a 110cc Honda Wave, which is what I'm gonna get. And then you can get some of the bigger ones here. Like he's got these bigger bikes, Winners, which are full manual, 150cc, and then he's got these other ones here which are Honda Winds and Honda Waves, Honda RSXs. These are a little bit bigger, but they're cheaper than the Honda Waves because the Honda Waves are more lighter, and apparently they use up less petrol. Anyway guys, I'm going to take this bike for a little run, see how we go. But yeah, this is Minhs Motorbikes. I'll leave the location down below for Minhs Motorbikes. There's usually 2 or 3 of them here. Now you basically need a passport, 2 million Vietnam dong deposit, and he'll just take a copy of your passport. He won't take the passport itself, but it's just to give him assurance that you're not going to run away with the bike or sell it or anything like that. And also if you're going to have an accident, basically the $2 million is kind of like the deposit to lay down in case you do crash the bike and it's your fault. Anyway, that's just the paperwork that's required here, and I think most rental places here in Vietnam are the same, that you need to have a passport and money deposit when you come here. Anyway guys, I think Minh is going to ready my bike, so I'm going to go jump on it and take it for a bit of a spin.
Tôi thật sự rất thích vượt số lượng, nhưng kỳ lạ là không biết từ
So they have a couple of other shops here where they've got their bikes. So we're going to go check out some of their other bikes that they have. This is kind of the mechanical area where they fix up all the bikes, give them a clean, tighten the brakes, put new brakes on. But there's multitudes of bikes here guys, multitudes of bikes. A lot of the women love these bikes here. I find the Honda Waves, you can use the Honda Waves a lot more better to swerve through traffic, whereas some of these other bikes where you put your feet just in the front of you, you can't really swerve that much. So a woman like that, a lot better. But look at all the bikes. Once again, Minhs Motorbikes. They've kindly given me a free shirt. Not sure if it's 2X, so that'll fit me well. So now we're going to film some of their other bikes. So they have bikes all over the place here. So you've got a big variety to choose from. More bikes here. Okay, so these are some of the other bikes here. RSX, Honda Blade. One of my friends bought a Honda Blade. Lots of RSX bikes. RSX seems to be a lot more popular here because they're a lot bigger, but I find them more clunky to drive. But I think a lot of the Europeans like all these RSX bikes. Honda Future, now that's a good bike. Honda Future. And you've got the Honda Waves, which I like. I'm a Honda Wave fan. Anyway guys, this is Minhs Motorbikes, so just giving you guys a little bit of a glimpse. And if you do get a motorbike, make sure you get yourself one of these face masks. Airfin are the ones I use. I'll leave a link down below for it. They're really good because I've got this filter here that you can breathe in and out of, and it catches all the pollution and whatnot, so it's really good. Hello. So you'll meet this lovely lady as well as Minh. I think this is his wife. I think she's really the boss. Anyway guys, you've seen some of the videos I've made with the time lapses and hyperlapses on the motorbike. So the motorbikes I've used are from Minhs. She's just saying this is more of the motorbikes. They've got this logo here, which is, if you see this around, that's Minhs Motorbikes. So lots of Honda Waves here, many, yes, and this is Minhs Motorbikes as well. Best bargains, sale, rent, repair, so they do everything. So they've got a whole bunch of different bikes here. He's got quite a lot. Great. Okay. Not sure who owns all these other motorbikes here, but so many. And what I will do is another video basically about tips on driving a motorbike here. She's just pointed me to these ones here, which are theirs. These are the Honda Winds that a lot of the foreigners love riding. I notice a lot of them make a louder sound, so they like a lot of these type bikes. The Deluxes, the Speros, Honda Winds, pretty much similar shape. I'm not a fan of these, but a lot of the European people, they love these type of bikes to come here and experience. So these are all part of Minhs Motorbikes. So you've got a variety to choose from in their range and different prices. So I find he's got the most reasonable prices here in Hanoi, Vietnam, and he's a really good guy. And they're very, very quick. If you don't like the bike, you can bring it back. If there's something wrong with it, bring it back. They'll swap it straight away. No questions asked. They'll give you just a new bike. And if you need brakes or anything like that to get fixed, then they'll do that for you too if you want to still have the motorbike. Now she's showing me more of her motorbikes. Here we go. More of her motorbikes here. So a lot of the foreigners love all these ones, which is the ones that we had a glimpse of similarly. The Spero Deluxe. Got a good range of bikes to choose from. Now a lot of the foreigners love these because you've got all the racks at the back. You can take around the country and put all your luggage on, so there's lots of space. You can use this for your luggage and that, and then you can just sit here. So a lot of them love that kind of thing. Anyway guys, okay. Oh, there's motorbikes everywhere. I think she just showed me the popular bikes that a lot of the foreigners like, which are the Honda Waves, the RSX, and the Honda Winds. Really cool bikes here. 50 cc, 110, 125, 150. Just heading back through the maintenance area. Great. Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Mr. Minh himself. See you guys later.
Bye.
Bye-bye.